So the Welsh Government has committed to legislate to modernise the taxi and private hire vehicle licensing. And one of the things we want to do is to get better sharing of information to improve passenger safety. So we've been working with the Centre for Digital Public Services to take a user-centred approach to that challenge, to think about how sharing information can benefit passengers, the trade and local authorities who issue licenses. Taking a user-centred approach has really helped us to focus on the kinds of services that will benefit passengers and our other stakeholders. So I'm really pleased that that we've had some good insights into the sorts of services that'll really make a difference for people. Yeah, a couple of benefits of working with CDPS. I mean, first of all, taking a user-focused approach has given us some new insights into the work and help us to understand the sorts of services that would really add value. And the other benefit has been the pace at which we've worked. So using an agile approach, we've managed to work really fast. Working in sprints helped the team to focus on what needs to be done, and having regular check-ins helped to keep people on task and helped us to remove blockages. Well, people won't have seen a difference to the service they received yet, but in time, modernising taxi and private hire vehicle licensing will bring a more standard service across Wales with consistent safety features for passengers and a fairer system for people who work in the trade. We're preparing to introduce a bill into the Senedd to modernise taxi and private hire vehicle legislation. And the work we've done with CDPS has informed the bill, particularly our proposals for information sharing.